The Missouri Bar Ethics Department filed a massive complaint against Kim Gardner. They accuse her of misconduct. But what does that mean? How serious are the accusations and what could happen? I got a perspective from an attorney who read the entire complaint. St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner has a hearing set for April 11th. She's accused of professional misconduct. If she is found guilty, she could lose her law license. I asked St. Louis Attorney Brad Young of Harris Dowell Fisher and Young about the case.
What are the chances of that actually happening, and who is hearing the case?
This is before the Missouri Supreme Court, and I believe there's a very high likelihood that she'll be convicted on these charges for no other reason than because of the length and breadth of the charges.
After studying the 73-page complaint, Young says it alleges how Gardner fostered and promoted the perjury charges that were leveled against Tisaby. He says she's accused of allowing her lead investigator, William Tisaby, to commit perjury and that she took no steps to correct the record once she was made aware of his actions.
If the Missouri Supreme Court finds that she's guilty of ethics charges and professional misconduct, it could result in either a probation, a suspension of her law license, or in the worst case scenario, disbarment.
If that happens, under Missouri law, Gardner would be ineligible to be St. Louis Circuit Attorney. And also, under Missouri law, Governor Parson would be empowered to appoint a replacement if he so desired.
Could this be continued again in April?
It could possibly be continued again in April. She's already received at least 2, if not 3, continuances of her misconduct hearing. And so the chances of it being continued are still there, but there's also, I think, a greater likelihood that her hearing will proceed in front of the Missouri Supreme Court on April 11th.
Now, it is also important to note that the William Tisaby guilty plea today does not include Kim Gardner. Also, the accusations made in the 73-page complaint still have to be proven at the hearing.